Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, currently staying at the Tropicana. I have a room booked, a comped room at the Havana Tower. Haven't been here in several years as far as the Havana Tower is concerned. Let's go check it out, see if anything's changed. I don't think anything has much changed here at the Tropicana. I know they're doing some work at the West Tower. They're going to give it a new name, but the Havana Tower, I'm not sure. Come along with me, let's check it out.
This video was recorded prior to my visiting the new room at the Havana Tower here at the Tropicana. I had mentioned that in the introduction, so if you want to check that video out, the Havana Tower rooms opened up just about 2 weeks ago, and I already visited them. I stayed there, and that tour is available on the Nu Yawk channel. So this one was recorded prior to that, so let's check out the Havana Tower now. Now, if you've been around this channel for a while, you already know we've explored every tower here at the Tropicana. Actually, pretty much every tower here in town. But here at the Tropicana, we've done room tours of the North Tower, the South Tower, the dreaded Chelsea Tower. That video is available here. And like I said, most recently, the brand new renovated Havana Tower. So now it's time to check out the Havana Tower. It's been a while. One of the biggest advantages of staying in the Havana Tower is right here, convenience. The Havana Tower is located directly next to the Havana parking garage, so if you're driving in, this is one of the easiest towers to access. Park, take the elevator down, and boom, you're practically at your room. They also have a self-check-in kiosk located right here, and sometimes there's an actual check-in desk staffed by an agent if you run into any issues. Now I will say, if no one's at that desk and you need assistance, it's not exactly a quick walk. You have to trek through the quarter, then through parts of the casino to get to the main check-in area, and that's a hike. So convenience, yes, but proximity to everything else, not quite. Okay, I'm in room 5502, let's check it out. Now, I had mentioned the Havana Tower is not close to the actual check-in desk if that's what you're looking for, and neither are a couple things like immediate boardwalk access, close proximity to the pools, quick access to the casino floor, being right in the center of the action. The Havana Tower is not your best option if these things are absolutely musts for you, and neither is the Chelsea Tower, and if that's what you're looking for, you want the North or South Tower. Those towers are much closer to the boardwalk entrance and casino floor, and now the new Havana Tower, formerly the West Tower, sits about halfway through the quarter. But the Havana Tower, it's tucked way back here, and for some people that's actually a plus, for many others, not really. I really don't mind it. I enjoy walking, and I like the quarter a lot. I like to walk around, check out the restaurants and the shops, and they're all conveniently located right here by the Havana Tower. As you head into the room, immediately what stands out is space. The Havana rooms are comfortable, not ultra-modern, not boutique chic, but solid, dependable, comfortable hotel rooms. I've stayed in this tower many times and I've never had an issue, no noise problems, no comfort complaints, no maintenance disasters, and that alone says a lot. Hey guys, if you're digging the videos here on the Nu Yawk channel, please subscribe, click on that thumbs up button, and also share it on your social media. There'll be a couple Nu Yawk shoutouts later in the video. The furniture style is traditional casino hotel, neutral tones, dark wood accents, slightly older design language, not falling apart, not run down, just not refreshed. And here's where I'll be honest, the tower doesn't necessarily need a full gut renovation, but it could absolutely benefit from, say, removing the dust ruffles from the bed, updating the carpeting to hard flooring, swapping out some lamps and hardware, a fresh coat of paint, modernize the artwork in the room, a few deletions, a few additions, a few touch-ups. That would bring this room right up to current standards. There's a functional desk area if you're working remotely, say editing videos or answering emails. It does the job. Good lighting, accessible outlets, solid Wi-Fi in my experience, and yes, I've edited lots of Nu Yawk videos here in this tower before. To put the Havana Tower in context, the South Tower is in a very convenient location. North Tower closest to the boardwalk and casino, the new Havana Tower freshly renovated and modern, the Chelsea Tower desperately needs attention. If money's gonna be spent on a full refurbishment, in my opinion it should go to the Chelsea Tower first. Those rooms needed far more than the Havana Tower. The Havana Tower just needs polish. Chelsea needs transformation. checking out the beds, you'll notice right away, yes, dust ruffles. That's one of those little details that makes this room feel a bit dated. Wall-to-wall carpeting also dated, but comfort, not an issue. Mattresses are solid and pillows are comfortable. Cleanliness has always been a good thing during my stays. You're not staying here for Instagram aesthetics, you're staying here to sleep comfortably after a long night in Atlantic City, and in that category, Havana Tower delivers. If you'd like to support the Nu Yawk channel, go ahead and click on that super thanks button right underneath this video. Doing so not only helps support the channel, but it'll get you a shout out on a future Nu Yawk video. And a shout out to Jim K and John Knowles, both left a super thanks on my latest Atlantic City video, the Super Bowl that I covered. And Jim K actually also a Nu Yawk member, so double thanks to you, Jim. And speaking of membership does have its perks, including those exclusive Morning Coffee with Jeff videos. So if you'd like to become a member, I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner right here. And shout out to the newest member, Robert Bates. Thanks for signing up, Robert. I really do appreciate it. Enjoy the exclusive content. This Havana Tower room comes with everything that's expected in a Atlantic City room, including the coffee maker, lots of storage, and the ironing board, safe, all that stuff that you usually find in hotel rooms, all here in the Havana Tower as well. Now let's check out the bathroom. It's a standard layout. The vanity has only one sink, so if you're traveling with others, well, you have to deal with that. There's a shower tub combo, clean tile work, adequate counter space, good lighting, again, not modern spa vibes, but functional, reliable water pressure, hot water consistent, no complaints, and at the end of the day, in a casino hotel, this is what you're looking for. If you're looking for luxury accommodations, you'll have to look elsewhere. I found this room not flashy, it's not newly renovated, not a luxury boutique room, but it's comfortable, dependable, it offers great views, I'll show you that in a moment, convenient to the parking, and with a few small updates, it would easily feel current again. Why not take some of this stuff, put it in the Chelsea Tower where it would be desperately needed, and just replace it with newer accents here at the Havana Tower. Coming soon to the channel, I'm going to do a tower comparison here at the Tropicana, and that'll give you a good feel for what each tower has to offer, so stay tuned for that. Let's talk about the views for a moment. Because of its position on the property, many Havana rooms offer incredible views of either the Atlantic Ocean, the Atlantic City skyline, or usually both of them. And of course, the higher up you are, the better it gets. From up here, you can really get a sense of Atlantic City's layout. You can see the ocean stretching endlessly, you get to see the city grid, and even see how the Tropicana property spreads out. For a tower that's not boardwalk adjacent, you still get spectacular scenery, and honestly, some of the views here rival those of the North and South Tower. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and share it on your social media. I'll see you around the city.